Yep, I'm El Proto, and today we're going to be looking at something, how to creatively use EQ for an instrument. Let's hear it. So you hear that piano, this sound here. So this. So let me solo it so that you hear what I'm talking about. But this sound has been engineered, kind of, by the use of an EQ. So this sound was like this, but with the EQ, it becomes like this. So let me remove the EQ so that you hear it again. Let me add the EQ. So you see the thing is bright, sharp, and it's too okay for this mix. Listen to it. So that's with the EQ, without. Ooh, the difference is too much. Without. With. Wow, you see. So look at the shape of the EQ here. So what I did, I cut off the low end and increase the high end in a way. So I just tweaked it to what I wanted, and I kind of used it to design the sound that I wanted. So this is the concept of using your EQ to design your sound, not just sweetening the sound, but using it to design the sound in a way that it fits into the music, the track. So that's just what I did here. So another way to use your EQ that I'm trying to present here is using to design your sound.
Stay, at, ho, ho.